Hello, and welcome to this quick demo of Dexra AI. This is not just a chatbot. This is your fully trained AI team. It deploys 2,000 plus pre-trained human-like super agents across websites, Facebook Messenger, voice, and our built-in interactive CRM that sell, support, and close clients for you 24/7, end-to-end, automatically. Let me give you a quick tour of the dashboard, your main command center where everything happens. Right at the top, your total AI agents, total leads, super agent performance, and total feedback, all in one glance. Below that, your lead statistics. On the right side, click Quick Links. Scroll down and you'll see your favorite agents and recently created agents for fast access. And your sidebar gives you full control instantly. Everything is clean, fast, and built so anyone, even a complete beginner, can start deploying agents in minutes. All right, let's create your very first agent. Super simple. Click Agents, Create New Agent. You have two options. Start with templates or from scratch. Let's continue with templates. Right away, you get access to over 2,000 done-for-you agent templates. Every niche, sales, support, coaching, real estate, health, and many more. Just pick one. Next, select your avatar. 70 plus ready-made AI avatar images, or upload your own. Hit Save and Next. Now appearance, give your agent a name. Choose language, agent position, and select agent animation. Then select or customize chatbot theme settings and select voice, male or female. All changes show live in the preview. Quick, easy, done. Hit Save and Next. Now, the most powerful part, training. Choose your AI model, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, whatever suits you best. Response length, short, medium, and large. Then, knowledge source. Train with AI or upload your website URL or PDFs. Your agent instantly learns your entire business, offers, pricing, policies, products, everything. It responds accurately, like a trained human expert. Hit Save and Next. Now we are reached final setup. Set your welcome and thank you message. Then set FAQs, manually or AI response, show lead form, feedback form, footer branding, live schedule, and social form. Now here's something powerful, and this is exclusive to Dexra AI. Click Facebook, connect your Facebook page, agent deployed instantly. Every DM, every inquiry, every lead, your agent handles it automatically. Your Facebook audience just became a 24/7 sales machine. Everything is set. Click Publish. Get your embed code, paste on any website, funnel, store, or blog, or standalone or better experience. Your agent is live in just 60 seconds. Now watch this. A customer lands on your website. Your agent greets them instantly. Hi, I'm your AI assistant. How can I help you today? Customer asks a question. Agent answers, accurately, naturally, like a real human. Customer shows interest. Agent captures their name and email. Lead automatically goes straight into your CRM. No human involved, not even once. This is happening 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, while you sleep. Now, super agent. Instead of one agent, combine multiple agents into one super intelligent system. Sales agent plus support agent plus coaching agent equals one powerful super agent. Enter name, select your agents, and hit deploy. One bot, every role, always on, never sleeps. Next, open the CRM from the left menu to access your complete customer management dashboard. Inside Conversations, you can view all agent conversation, full conversation history, and lead details like name, email, status, stage, and notes. In the Leads tab, all captured leads are organized, searchable, sortable, and exportable. The Feedback tab lets you review ratings and comments anytime. Everything stays managed in one powerful dashboard. That's Dexra AI. Deploy AI agents in 60 seconds. Capture leads, automate replies, and grow businesses 24/7. Welcome to Dexra AI. Start deploying your AI agents today.